Welcome back to Near Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Blueberry, a seamless 65% from a new designer, Toffee Studio. The board will go for $379, including a polycarbonate plate and PCB. While this included PCB is solder only, this board is compatible with a few other 65% PCBs, including the KBD67 and Savage 65. Aside from the color choices, you do have the option for a polycarbonate bottom, which helps show off that gamer RGB and might also affect the sound, so we'll test it as well. We also get decent layout support with the included PCB, including everything shown here. For some reason, this board doesn't include feet or feet cutouts, so I just slapped on some leftovers I had. Let's get to the build. The entire assembly process from foam config to software is outlined in the assembly guide, found at assembly.toffeestudio.com. I've got TX stabs in here lubed with 205 grade 0 and BGC. On top goes the plate foam. This is missing some cuts to accommodate the stabilizers, and I had to manually tear these out. After that goes the palm plate. I'm going to do something a bit bold and solder in stock switches. These are DD linears, which are smooth and loud long poles. It's a little hard to solder around the LEDs and USB-C port, but overall the process went smoothly. Now that the inner assembly is done, we can get back to the case. I'm going to unscrew the case screws and get to installing the gaskets. Blueberry comes with different top and bottom gaskets. The bottom gaskets are much thicker than the top, allowing for more flex. With the gaskets installed, we can place the inner assembly inside, reinstall the case screws, and on top goes GMK thin caps.